Hey guys, Clint here, Cairns Dive Adventures. Thanks for joining us. Today we wanted to talk about our underwater camera hire. So this is the box they come in. It's a safety box. We do ask you to take this to and from the reef. Keep the camera inside the box. Basically, you can open up the box, very easy, and pull out your camera. So basically, these cameras come with a strap. And a couple of rules to keep the camera safe and to keep you guys also safe is always put your arms through the strap. Bring that up like so. Don't rely on the strap as you're swimming around, because if the strap breaks, the cameras do sink straight to the bottom. So always hold on to the camera at all times. Just make sure you've got that strap around your wrist, okay? Basically, once you get geared up, BCD's on, regulator on, mask on. Most of the boats, it's a 1.5 to 2 meter drop off the side of the boat into the water. So regulator on, mask on. Hold the camera an arm's length away from your body. Giant stride exit out, jump into the water. Don't hold the camera right beside your body. Jumping in the water can hit the water and it can get you in the chin, okay? Start diving, equalize your ears, get your buoyancy, start feeling comfortable. All right, so take a photo, take the lens off like so, that way you can sort of get inside. You've got an on-off button there, so that turns your camera on. You've got this one takes a photograph, and this is your zoom. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. If you want to shoot video, there's a white button just here. Press that, you're shooting 1080 HD video. Press it again, you stop taking video. Very, very easy camera to use. So the way I use my camera gear is I leave it off all the time and just turn it on when you need it. So start diving, you see a turtle, get up close as you can to your turtle, turn your camera on, let's get a shot, let's get a shot, let's get a shot, turn your camera off. If you do that, you'll get all day out of your battery and you won't have to change your battery halfway through the day, and then it's drying the camera down and trying to get it out again. And a couple of tips: instead of taking photographs horizontally or taking photographs shooting down on an angle, get used to taking photographs shooting up on a 45-degree angle. Try to get below your subject and shoot towards the sun, shoot towards the object on a 45-degree angle up. You get much, much better photos, all right? Next, we're gonna show you about how to open the camera with a little locking system on the door, and how to change your battery and your card. All right, talk soon. Okay guys, so next, how to open up the camera and switch out your battery and to switch out your camera card. On the side, you've got a double lock, okay? So this little lock goes that way, this lock pushes this way, and by doing that, it allows you to roll the door and open up the camera like so. Basically, just pull your camera straight out of the box. On the bottom of the camera, you've also got another double lock, so just push that to one side, push that up, open the door, there's your battery. We've got one battery here, and there's a spare battery and a charger inside the camera box. The contacts only go in one way, so just keep an eye on that. Pop your battery back in. Your SD camera card goes inside there. Bring your door across, hold it down, lock, lock, okay? Always make sure you got the double locks on. Try not to touch the lens on the camera. This is a GPS setting. I always recommend turn that off because that will flatten your battery super fast. If you accidentally change the dial on the back of the camera, just push it always back onto fishy mode. You're going underwater, taking photos of fish. The fish mode is the best mode to take photos. Put the camera back inside like so, nice and easy. The next thing is to always double check that there is no hair or sand on the seal. So double check, double check, double check. No hair or sand on the seal of the camera. Bring your roller door up, over, and snap it shut. You'll always get that nice click. Pull the lock across. You've now changed your battery. You've now changed your SD card. Remember, always, 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 arms through the strap at all times and hold on to the camera. Really have a good time. Just always remember, arms through the strap at all times. Bring it up like so, and always hold on to the camera. One last tip, as you're coming back to the boat, especially you divers, you'll be coming back to the ladder on the back of the boat. Hold on to the ladder with one arm, grab the camera, pass that up. There's always a crew member standing on the back of the boat. They'll always grab the camera from you and they'll go and put it in the camera bucket, a freshwater camera bucket. Especially if you're doing overnight liveaboard stuff, always wash the camera off at the end of each day with fresh water just to get the salt off the camera. All right, our shop, we shut at 5:30 every day. So as soon as you get back off the boats, please make your way straight back to our shop to drop the camera back in time. All right, have a great time and we look forward to seeing your photos. See you soon.